Welcome. If you want to stay on top of every conversation happening on your Facebook page, enabling comment notifications is the way to go. Today, I'll walk you through the simple steps to turn on comment notifications for your Facebook page using your PC, following the latest Facebook update. Start by opening Facebook in your browser and logging into your account. Once you're on the home page, look to the top right corner of the screen and click on your profile photo. This will open a drop-down menu with several options. From here, select your page by clicking on its profile photo. This takes you directly to your Facebook page, where you can manage all your settings and notifications. Now, look for the menu on the left side of your page. Find and click on Settings and Privacy. A new menu will appear. Click on Settings to continue. Inside the Settings menu, you'll see a list of options on the left. Scroll down until you find Notifications and click on it. This is where you control all your notification preferences for the page. Next, look for the section labeled Comments. Click on it to open the specific settings for comment notifications. Here, you'll see different notification types including push, email, and SMS. To make sure you never miss a comment, enable the push option. This will send you real-time notifications directly to your browser or desktop whenever someone comments on your posts or replies to your comments. With push notifications turned on, you'll always be in the loop and can engage with your audience right away. That's it. You've now successfully enabled comment notifications for your Facebook page on PC. This simple change ensures you're always connected with your followers and can respond quickly to every comment. Thanks for tuning in. If you found this guide helpful, be sure to check out more tips on managing your Facebook page and keeping your online community active and engaged.